Enjoyable outing touring our northern waters and the Pulau Ubin areas. Boat captain was spirited in sharing tales about the various places. Boats definitely more than decent, and spacious enough despite the need for distancing. Dinner aboard the Kelong was pretty good, though we were lucky to be able to depart as rain stopped just 10 minutes before departure. Our guide Stephen is very knowledgeable and made Pulau Ubin feel very different from what we know. Dinner was okay and affordable. The feeling of fresh air on my skin and the wind in my hair is one of my favorite things. My first time seeing the sunset from a boat seat, the orange color of pigments, or any of a number of colors between red and yellow, was awesome. After a much longer boat ride on the fun ride exploring uncommon sight in Singapore. Relaxing trip and well-needed change in scenery. Our guide/captain, Robin, is very knowledgeable and shared with us his experience and info on the sites. Came to know the different types of Kelong in Singapore. The ride was smooth and safe. The set dinner could have been better in terms of quality and variety for the price paid. The Teochew-styled steamed fish was soft but on a salty side. Overall, it is an eye-opening tour and our captain is Robin, whom is very knowledgeable about what he is showing us. Safety is his main priority for all the guests on board of his vessel. The tour itself is very meaningful, and throughout the tour we saw many part of hidden gem which you are not able to see it on land itself. Totally a worthwhile trip. We'll go again next time if there are organizing enjoyable tour on the boat ride. Robin is a very professional, knowledgeable and experienced guide. Shared his knowledge about the islands and Kelongs in Singapore. Overall a wonderful experience. Highly recommended. Beautiful insights about Singapore's outlying island, Pulau Ubin. Great guide showing us hidden secrets of this island. Highly recommended. Excellent captain. Very patient and show a lot of concern for the elderly. He made sure everyone was comfortable and safe. He is very knowledgeable. Very informative and off-the-beaten-path tour. It's a welcome to be out at sea, be relaxing, and see SG from a new perspective. Our boat captain Robin was very keen to share his experience and insights with us, which dates back many years. His boat was comfortable and very stable as well. If you have elderly, getting on and off the boat will need you to take a bigger step, but it could be managed with people holding you from both sides. The ramp towards the boat down from the jetty is rather steep. Would recommend the 4 to 7 p.m. slot. Highly recommended experience. Awesome time with the guide, great views and a very comfortable trip. Nice and clean boat. Friendly and knowledgeable tour guide. The Kelong shore catch fishing was fun and we brought back a bonus catch. Highly recommend. Great experience for a first-timer like me. Although there's not much beautiful scenery, it was a great time spent with my family and I learned a lot from the tour guide. Very knowledgeable and likes to share stories. I get to see views that I would not see normally when on the land. Robin's boat was comfortable, clean and fast. He took us on a whirlwind tour of the northern coastline, pointing out facts and features of the terrain and wildlife. Stopped at Smith Marine for a break. We were 15 minutes early on the way back, so he took it. Nothing beats the feeling of the windy sea breeze brushing through your hair and listening to the therapeutic sounds of waves splashing about as the boat cruises through the sea. It's not only a fun and relaxing activity but an informative one as well, as you get to know interesting trivia stories about the sea, ships, Kelongs and the northern islands of Singapore. Robin is a great tour guide who is very experienced and knowledgeable. He's friendly, patient and always